I indicated in the title that I got rid of the Microsoft Windows 10. There are a couple of reasons for this. First of all, the desktop that I was using was not going to be compatible with Windows 11. I was also forced with having to buy a new computer and possibly even new software. This was going to be expensive. I went to Chromebook Plus with a touchscreen. I'm working with a Chromebook and a large monitor that's attached to the Chromebook. I've never been happier. Everything seems to fit very well on this raised two-level office desk. It is very adjustable. You can move the two levels independently up and down to suit your needs. The top part holds my monitor, and the tilting level in the front holds my Chromebook laptop. To the right of that is a place to hold a mouse. It turns out this is a really, really useful and flexible desk. Because I'm working isolated from the front door, I decided I needed something to tell me who's knocking on the front door or even coming up the driveway. As you can see, I'm using a baby monitor, a very inexpensive way of keeping track of who's coming to your door. I have coupled the baby monitor with a driveway motion detector. When it sounds off, I just glance at the monitor and I can tell if there's somebody there. I also needed a place where I could write some notes. There wasn't any available space on the computer table, so I bought one of those TV trays that just slides right under the desk. That works extremely well, and when I'm not using it, I just slide it back under the desk. Many thanks for watching. Check out part 3 of my new studio video. I would appreciate a thumbs up, and if you can, subscribe to the channel. If you find value in this video, click on the link in the description. There are many more Frugal Studio videos coming. Have a great day and keep on sketching.